So I know in the last video I said that I would not be traveling anywhere, but whenever you get a chance to escape from the city even if for one day, then you definitely should. And right now I am here at the Dhaka and I am traveling to Alibaug. So if you are like having a minimum one day, and if you want to, if you are like basically looking for a getaway out of Mumbai, and within one day basically you can definitely travel till Alibaug and return back. So welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Let's go.
There's a party in your head, I can see it. Your eyes, they tell me everything. And even if you don't wanna believe me, the truth is just too clear to see. You're fighting with the devil on your shoulder, 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 shoulder. And I'm not your enemy, I just wanna get to know ya, know ya, know ya, know ya. Eyes, you're vacant. I wanna see you in the morning, wake up when you say hello to the world. I wanna look deep inside what's behind your vacant eyes. Your vacant eyes. Your vacant eyes.
So time check is approximately 11 o'clock right now, and we are supposed to reach till Revas within like 1.5 hours, but it took like more than 2 hours to reach over here. And from here onwards, now the first stop is going to be the Murud Janjira fort, which is like totally surrounded by Arabian Sea. The ferry basically costs like around 80 rupees per head, and approximately 130 is the cost for the bikes if you're carrying bikes from Mumbai till over here. So within like 2.5 hours, we should be reaching till the Murud Janjira fort now. So let's go.
You want me, but there's too much danger. When you fall in love, it's innocent. I don't know if you can win. Can you give in? I know you can, baby. Eyes, you're vacant.
Hey guys, so it is still somewhere around 1:44 and we have still not reached the fort. By the way, that is the Janjira fort, and there was a little bit traffic and the road is really pathetic, so we weren't able to reach in time. But now this same road would be going ahead, and we have to reach all the way towards that fort, and from here there would be a jetty which would be taking us to the fort. So let's go.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt.
Hey guys, so we have reached at the Janjira fort now, but due to the non-operational of the ferry service, we will not be able to go inside the fort. So what we'll be doing now, that we'll be right away heading back towards the Khim beach, and from there we'll be having our lunch, and from there we'll be returning. So let's go.
We will make a sound out in the dark where no one sees us. The electricity between.
Hey guys, so this is the coastal road which connects throughout the same route and directly towards the Janjira fort. Even with respect to the name Murud Janjira, it doesn't have its specific Indian origin. It is originated from the Arabic word. And one of the very important thing which is prominent with respect to the history of this fort is that this fort was not basically conquered neither by British, neither by Portuguese, and neither by the Marathas. It was entitled to the Mughal Empire. And inside the fort, there are paintings which are there even from the 17th century. And one of the strongest cannon in the Indian history is inside the fort. The picture I'll be putting up over here. It weighs even more than 22 tons. So we have stopped over here so that we can get a very bird eye point of view of the entire sea line and the fort as well. So from here now we would be descending back towards Kihim beach, and over there we'll be having our lunch. So let's go.
Out of bounds, I can only be free. Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me. Out of bounds. Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We won't make a sound. Out of bounds, I can only be free. Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me. Out of bounds. Under the frozen light, we are a picture of the thought.
Hey guys, so after that amazing Mumbai trip which I had, things didn't turn out to be too much well. Even though this screenshot over here, it says that from Revas till Mumbai, the ferry is going to leave. The last ferry is going to leave at 6:30, but the ferry took off before 6 o'clock. So even though we reached over there by somewhere around 6:15, we didn't get the ferry, and so we had to travel by this road. And as you know, the roads are super pathetic, and due to the recent rains, it has turned out to be even more pathetic. And till Panvel, I managed to sit on the back seat because we are traveling in two bikes, and one of my friends stays in Vasa and the second one stays in Dadar. So after till Panvel, I somehow managed to manage on that pathetic roads. But any which ways, the distance was going to be the same from Panvel directly to Goregaon or till Dadar. So I finally decided to take a cab so that at least I'll be able to sit in a proper chair. So this turned out to be a kind of an adventurous trip, but I'll definitely not suggest you to plan this kind of a sudden trip, because you can very well plan a trip, or you can very well have a night stay in Alibaug. There are a lot of resorts which are even beachfront resorts. So rather than having a one night or a one day return plan for Alibaug, I'll definitely not recommend you to do this kind of experiment. So thank you so much for watching until here. If you have liked this video for whatsoever reason, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be coming up with the next video probably next week about a new destination, or in the next week after that. The destination I'm not totally confirmed it on yet. So do keep letting me know if you're having any particular suggestion. So thank you so much for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and as always, keep traveling.